mamaya. Para kanino yan kantang yan? Saan?
Para kanino yan?
Para kanino yan?
Sa mahal ko, Brad, para sa akin.
Sino mahal mo?
Message ko, Brad, message.
Sino ang pangalan?
ID Lumaldan.
Sarap naman.
Remember so well the day that you came into my life.
Pre, may dalawa kang bodyguard.
You had the most
Siya yung magsasabi, si Arwin.
my life.
May bodyguard ka, pre.
Today,
All Mountaineers.
wake up each day,
Sayaw.
feeling alright. See you right by my side, make me feel things will work out just fine.
Seryoso ba yan, pre?
Oh, how did you know I needed someone like you? That there's an empty
Win! Totoo ba yan? Totoo ba yan? Totoo, totoo.
came at the right time in my life.
Ano pangalan?
I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life.
Ano pangalan?
Took all the worries and fears that I had. Masih ka dyan, ulang kita. I guess what I'm really trying to say. Not every day that someone like you comes my way. No one can express how much
Dapat umiiyak ka ng konti.
I hope.
Kaya ano ka, Jerry?
How did you know I needed someone like you in my
Ano
life?
pangalan? Ano pangalan?
There's an empty space in my heart. You came in the right time in my life. Oh, I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had.
Patay, 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 patay.
Guess what I'm really trying to see. It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much.
Sino? 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 Sino?
I love you.
Ano pangalan?
Ivy.
Ivy ano?
Lupas lang, natin.